Hey, what's up, tech fans? Glad to see you guys here on my channel. Now check this out. You guys all know I've been having some medical issues with my foot. The surgery was a complete success. My diet's been a success. My foot is almost completely healed. They're saying that within 1 to 2 weeks maximum, I'll be up and walking again. That's going to be incredible because I've missed walking my dog. I've missed being able to have any kind of normal life because I haven't been able to put any pressure at all on my right leg or my right foot. And that means every time I want to go up and down the stairways, I got to crawl like a dog down, hop into this little cart thing I got, and then push my way into my room. Then when I'm in there, I'm pretty much stuck in my bed. So it's been kind of a boring, kind of thing to do. Luckily, a lot of people have been really cool. I was able to get that really nice PC that I showed you guys that is just amazing. My parents kicked me down and got me a TV. So all in all, it's been really, really great. You guys have been the most wonderful, wonderful people in the world. So many great comments, so much support from around the world. It really makes a person feel appreciated. And I know the views in this channel are down. I don't know what YouTube is doing to me because we've had videos that have gone to 500,000, that are on the same subjects that we're doing normally. This particular thing's been broken. We have no idea about it, but it doesn't matter. We make our money in different various ways, so we're going to keep coming back to you and back to you and back to you unless they just totally cut us off. And at that point, we just start a new channel and do something different for you folks. So I know it kind of sucks, and you guys come in and see the views, and it kind of kind of bothers me as well because I know that something's just not right, but I don't know what to do to fix it. So all I'm concentrating on now is just making sure we make good videos, making sure I stick to my diet. Hopefully this will be like one of the last times you guys see me in my wheelchair. Hopefully my appointment with the doctor is next Tuesday. I won't show you guys another picture of my foot because a lot of people kind of freaked out about that, but the foot now is pretty much completely closed. So from you guys who did watch the other video, you saw that first picture where it was all like hamburger. Now it's all the way closed. I think he's going to do probably one more debridement surgery next week. What that is, that's pretty much just taking a scalpel. He goes around my foot, he takes and cuts off all the dead skin, all the dead callus, all that stuff. And I believe after that, I'll be able to wear a shoe. I think I'm gonna have to have some kind of like protective pad that I wear under my foot for a little while so it doesn't get damaged. But hopefully by the end of next week, I'll be up and walking again, which is going to be great because CES is coming and then the NAMM show's coming and I want to go out and see the people. I haven't been able to do any of these shows that have been going on like the PAX or anything else because I haven't been able to walk in a long time correctly. Hopefully now I'll be back to walking so I can go out and actually meet you guys, the public, a lot more. My body feels great. I feel great. I thank you guys for all your support. Thanks for watching this video. You guys have been a wonderful audience. Just so much appreciation on my behalf for so many people, the doctors, the fans, my parents, the people who support me, just the cameraman, Bill, my roommate. There's been a lot of people who've helped support me and helped me carry through this weight because it's real, like I said, it's been a burden to be stuck in my bed or in a wheelchair. It's just very limiting. I can't even go to my garage. Even to play my guitar is a pain in the butt because I got to be very careful just trying to get my guitar on one leg so I don't drop it and break it. So it's been an ordeal. I'm glad it's almost over. Thank God. Thanked all the people. You guys have been wonderful. We'll see you guys back on Tech tomorrow for more videos. But the good news is guess what? I'm healed up and I'm going to be walking within 2 weeks at the maximum. And that's just good news. So hopefully my Christmas present this year will be, hey, Elric, your foot's totally healed. You can walk. See you guys on the channel for more tech. We ain't going nowhere.